content for Module 4 is going to examine data collection. And then our assignment will be your answering the questions about which survey or what instrument you would use to deliver or to perform your research. Our data collection, we're looking at chapters 11 through 14. Starting with our mixed methods approach. Talks about how we construct those questionnaires, the formats, the basic overall structure there. Interviewing, again, interviewing makes me think of qualitative, so how would I interview? What are some of the things I would do when I'm trying to get that information and when I'm trying to code that information? Recording it so we obviously can have that information back for us. And then analysis of that interview data. This is really good because it shows how to qualitatively analyze those interview transcripts. So making sure you pay attention to those. I think that's all 3 of our chapters there. One more. Chapter 14. Organization of data. So organization of data referring to more of the quantitative data, how we get that, how we prepare that data and how we present that data. Good. Another idea of more graphs and visual tables to be able to visually provide that information. Then when we look at our course in Module 4, our contents here, I'm talking about, I have a video here for the experimental process. And then this is our assignment for the week. So you're going to upload your assignment that you've chosen, and then you're going to answer the questions about that survey of that instrument here. So make sure you do both parts here. This is the uploading of that survey, and this is the answering the questions about that survey. And that wraps it up for Module 4.